This video tutorial will demonstrate how to enable Zoom in the Canvas LMS in order to schedule, host, and record Zoom lectures with ease. First, navigate to the Canvas course you wish to add Zoom to. From the left side Course Navigation, locate and click on Settings. Next, locate and click on the Navigation tab found at the top of the page. Scroll down the page and locate Zoom. Then drag and drop it to the top portion. This will enable Zoom in your course navigation. Don't forget to save. To save, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the red Save button. You should now see the Zoom link in your course navigation. Click the link to navigate to Zoom. Once in Zoom, you'll notice several tabs at the top of your page. These pertain to upcoming meetings, previous meetings, personal meeting room, and your cloud recordings. Any Zoom meetings you schedule within Canvas will be available for your students on their course navigation. They will also appear on the Canvas calendar. For additional video tutorials on the best practices for scheduling and recording Zoom meetings in Canvas, please refer to the videos linked in the description below.